like and subscribe. Hey guys, for a long time I've been making 3D printing the 1590B Hammond box spacers. I've been asked numerous times to make one for a 1590BB size box. Now these spacers work for the Hammond brand. You see how it says Hammond 1590BB inside of the box? And it says Hammond on the lid. There are boxes that are made in China that are copies of these that are not the same. These do not fit them perfectly. There's other boxes that are made by Alpine Tech or other companies too, and these don't exactly fit them perfectly because they're not made for them. So if you're buying these for another box, I make no claim that it'll fit. It fits the Hammond box. That's what I designed it for. That's what it fits. This spacer is 7mm thick. There is also a 10mm spacer. See the edges right here. You can see how it's got the edges in there that fit right in the box perfectly. Listen to that. Snaps right in. Alright, then you take the lid snaps right in. Now the thing with the 7mm spacer is these screws are not long enough. They will not work. These are the ones that come with Hammond. What you do need is a 6/32 by 3/4 inch screw. That is 6/32 thread and 3/4 inch long. Those work perfectly. You'd want to make sure that you get that type of head for the screw, the same type of head that they have for the Hammond screws. Here is the screws that I use for the 10mm spacer, because when you buy a 10mm I include the screws. I have not gotten around to buying the screws that come with the 7mm, so those you'll have to buy yourself. There is a reason why people buy the clear ones. Now this looks white. It is the transparent filament that was used to print this. They buy it because the light can get through it. I'm going to turn on my flashlight here. You can see it coming through the box. People use orange or pink or yellow or the red, green, blue flashing lights, whatever LED light you want to put in there, if you want to even add the LED lights. But this adds a lot of room inside of the box so that you can put more electronics in there and fit more inside of the box when you're making your effects pedal. So if you guys are interested in this type of thing, I've got other videos. Please like and subscribe. I do 3D print some things. I do videos on how to fix stuff. Just make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment on the video. If you have any questions, send a message. And thanks a lot for watching.